So we'll move on to the second article of today's editorial, that is unnecessary pause. So what does this title indicate? Something to which we must give a pause for a good cause. Okay, vaccines take time to develop. The first to roll out might not necessarily be the best. So to develop vaccine, it may take time, but the first one, the first to roll out, might not necessarily be the best. The first one may not be the best, but it takes time to get vaccine into the country. The global clamor for a COVID 19 vaccine has whipped up unrealistic expectations that one is just around the corner. Clamor. What is meant by clamor? Clamor is nothing but a loud, confused noise, uproar, tumult. They were all clamoring for attention. It is thus a reality check when biopharma company AstraZeneca piloting is nothing but like whenever you buy any cosmetic product, just to pilot it before they give you, like before the production they pilot it. So what they will test it whether it is harmful or not. Like that is the meaning of piloting. Piloting its vaccine candidate AZD1222. There were large phase 3 trials this month, said it was voluntarily putting the multinational trial on hold. So it was in the third stage of the vaccine trials. If it is successful, we'll get the vaccine. This was after a serious adverse event in a volunteer which a data safety monitoring board will now examine. So the company's move was first reported by an independent medical news site, underlining the critical role that independent scrutiny means observation, scrutiny plays in one of the greatest global crises. Without a specific cure, the vaccine quest has become more than just a search along the pathway that research and pharma companies have traditionally taken. There are demands that probable vaccine be put into a pipeline for accelerated approval to yield political dividends too. So what is my quest? Search, hunt, or pursuit. Nothing will stop them in the quest for truth. Okay. So where are we? There are demands that probably vaccine be put into a pipeline for accelerated approval to yield political dividends too. So even the vaccine requires some political dividends. So everything now has become political totally. US President Trump has demanded that a vaccine be available before voting day in November. President Trump is demanding that we should get the vaccine before the US election, that is before November. India had its moment of vaccine controversy when the ICMR harried trialists to expedite testing of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin by August 15. So we got a Covaxin by Biotech, that is on August 15. Russia, which is to commence its Sputnik V's phase 3 testing, has launched a publicity blitz. So blitz is like intensive, sudden military attack, bombardment, assault. He absolutely blitzed his rivals. And the next one is overall. Sorry. Where are we? Has launched a publicity blitz. Just before reports of the trial pause, AstraZeneca and 8 companies developing vaccines signed a pledge that they would not approach regulatory authorities such as the US FDA until they had safety and efficacy, effectiveness, productiveness, or potency, and efficacy data from a phase 3 trial. Overall, the road to a vaccine has become an arena for marketing and jingoism, extreme patriotism, chauvinism. Okay. AZD1322 has already been tested in phase 1 and phase 2 trials with the data on its safety and ability to induce a relevant response by the immune system were evaluated, and independent peer review had deemed it fit into to be tested in larger populations. Okay, like this AZD1322 has been tested in 2 phases and we got a good response, and it has been it's evaluated in monitoring systems also. A phase 3 trial is the most daunting one. It's a very difficult one. It's not, you just don't say difficult, but you need to test. Multiple trials must happen. Phase 3 trials on huge number of people. This will be the last one, right? So it must be done on huge people, and it will have different ways, and it's a very critical one, and it's very imperative. It's also crucial. In the case of a vaccine, there is an additional burden of proof that it cannot Second, the healthy and the odds of adverse reactions greatly increase when a piece of virus is injected into thousands of volunteers. Vaccine trials take years of development or precisely because of the chances unexpected complications and to expect a vaccine which has cleared accelerated phase 1 and 2 trials to inexorably clear phase 3 flies in the face of the evidence from history of vaccine development. So generally most of the trials uh, will be drawn withdrawal back, like because many people and everything must be suitable there, situations must be good because of all those. So it's for them it's a hill to do a phase 3 train, and the meaning of inexorably is impossible to stop or prevent. The economy seemed to be sinking inexorably into crisis. Developed at Oxford, AZD1322 was evolved on an adenovirus platform not used in commercially approved vaccine in humans. They have, however, been used in experimental Ebola vaccine. Yeah, India and the world will gain from a vaccine that has been critically and transparently evaluated and not one that crosses uh, chimerical finish line first. Right, we completed our second article and we finished our editorial session of 10 September 2020, and I hope every one of you have understood both the articles very clearly, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.